locations that will experience flooding include Santa Clarita. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminently occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter in place and move to a second story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows. Turn left